Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting the vectors and angles you need. First, compute or retrieve the orbit plane normal vector n from inclination and ρ, or directly from state vectors. Next, get the sun position vector s in the same ECI frame at the same epoch. This ensures consistency. Use kilometers and degrees or radians consistently so computations align. Once you have n and s, normalize both vectors. This simplifies dot and cross products and prevents scaling errors before you compute the angle. Now compute the core value. Normalize n and s to n hat and s hat. Compute the dot product d equals n hat dot s hat. This gives the cosine of the angle between the sun direction and the orbit normal. Beta angle is the complement of that angle relative to the orbital plane, so take beta equals 90 degrees minus arccos, d, which is equivalent to arcsin, d. Make sure to handle sign conventions. Positive or negative beta depends on the orientation of the normal versus the sun vector. Finish by converting your result into degrees and applying the mission's sign convention so your value matches operational expectations. If beta is near 0, the sun lies in the orbital plane. Near 90 degrees means constant sunlight on one hemisphere. Interpret accordingly. If results disagree with expected values, recheck epoch alignment between S and orbit data, confirm ρ and inclination signs, and ensure you normalized vectors. As a quick test, perturb ρ slightly and verify beta changes smoothly. Abrupt flips reveal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.